Hey folks, it's Ben. I'm here with a toy. What I bought here is a tire changer. I got it for 18 bucks on a local Facebook site, of course. Not really knowing what I could do. They said it was for small tires, but it looked like you could do like a car tire, and I think that was the point. It's not for tractor tires or tractor trailer tires, but just regular car tires. So what you need to look for, which I didn't know till I bought it, and then I'm like, okay, great, I bought this thing and I don't know how to use it. There's a couple parts to it. There's this piece right here, which is threaded quite a bit. Right, and that comes off. And then there's this bit here that also comes off. And then there's this little wiggly thing here, and I'll explain to you exactly what all these things do here in a minute. Now, I've never taken a tire off a rim before, but I have, you can't take a tire and a rim to the dump. You gotta separate them for the tire and also for the rim. So these are useless to me, and I can't get rid of them. I have to take them to a tire store and pay whatever it would be per to get them off the rim. So by having this tool, and for $18, I have about 20 of these. It cost me $1 a tire, which is what I'm willing to pay for it. And then I have a tire changing tool I can probably resell for 20 or so bucks. So that's cool. So watching the one online video at work on my phone during break, I'll give it a whirl here and we'll see how easy or hard it is. The first step, of course, on taking a tire, and I can't say of course because I've never done it before, but you have to break the bead off the rim. So that's what this portion of the tool is for. You bring your rim up, as far as I know, up to here. And I've secured mine to a pallet, but just about anything should do. And then I forgot the last ingredient, of course, is this large rod, which in this case we're going to use as leverage to make sure the tire has no air in it too. I can't imagine it would after 20 years in the field. How about them apples? Quality by the pound. This brand of tire is a
Silvertown?
Silver tire.
Silvertown.
Silver, I gotta take my Silvertown belted F7815. Oh, we're good. So what you have to do is break the bead, so you use as much leverage as you can. You could go pop. And these just could be stuck because they're so old. I don't know. They definitely don't have air in it unless it's a tube. There we go. Okay, so the bead's broken. That seems like more like it should be. It definitely is my first tire. But it's already kind of done. So we're done with that part. So next we come up here. We go to the top of the tool, and this is supposed to go into a lug hole. And it keeps it from turning. So you drop it on here, like so. You drop this tool here, which locks the rim to the tool. And then you screw this all the way down. Then you grab your tool with this slot, tighten it up. It doesn't go anywhere. And now in theory I use this end of the tool to get under the bead and to pull it up. So I should be able to come in here, perhaps. They use lubricant too, which I haven't done yet because I'm excited to try it out, really. And then I'm like, well, let me put it on YouTube because these guys are cool. But just hard to get a hold of it there. I feel like I need another. There we go. This is where my tool is stuck, and this is where maybe a lubricant would make it easier for me to slide my tool along the rim. get it off the bead, or out even. So this would be the fun, challenging part, but this is the stand the tire would use. There we go. It's like a bike rim. Try to get the bead above the tire. And this is the part I didn't pay much attention to in terms of getting that. No one did undone. If it were a bike tire, I'd stick a tire iron in there or something. So in this case, I got my wood tool here. Keep it in there. That one out. Now that it's out, then we'd come through, kind of work its way. Let's see if I can do one more. There we go. So there's one, and then we have to do it again for the next side. I might be able to pull the tube out. It's kind of pinched. I guess on a bike, this is as far as you would go. I guess what I'll try to do is flip it over and get it that way. Oh, I see. So part of the issue I'm having is the tube is corroded to the stupid rim, and it's kind of acting like a brake. So that's not open any. There we go. There. So now it's one of over 20 rims off the tire for a cool little toy. So I paid 18 bucks online, and it's complete. And I guess in one afternoon I can now sell or probably just dump the rims. One scrap rim, one surprise tube, and one tire that's ready to go to the dump. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Leave any questions or comments down below, and be sure to subscribe to my channel for awesome updates on what I'm doing. Please check out the next video I've got lined up for you, and also check out my Patreon page if you want to support what we're doing here. And finally, check out my other less tractory page, Red Barn Homestead. You can subscribe to that too, see some awesome stuff. And we'll see you next time.